Tiny little world, a pocket universe, hiding deep inside. A flower bed for roses, tiny little trees swaying in the breeze, the perfect little bench to sit upon, to look out onto the city beyond. A tiny little world built out of little scenes of little tiny people chasing kites and chasing dreams. If I had that tiny world hiding in my pocket, I'd take it out and I'd put it safely in a locket where I could open it and see the world spilling into reality, where tiny little people just like you and me could be, and you and me and we could make our own dreams come true. I'd build that tiny little world in my pocket just for you.